So this is sacrum bone. Okay. First we will learn about its general features, then its attachments. Now, sacrum bone has six surfaces. Now, this is pelvic surface or anterior surface. This is dorsal or posterior surface. This is base. This is apex, which has been cemented with this coccyx. These two are the lateral surface. Okay, in anatomical position, 30 degree to horizontal. 30 degree. The body of first sacral vertebra should be at 30 degree to horizontal. So this is anatomical position. Posterior surface, pelvic surface or anterior surface, base, apex to lateral surfaces. Okay. Now let's go to the base. Base is made by the body of first sacral vertebra. This is body of first sacral vertebra, which makes a joint with fifth lumbar vertebra. Okay. Now, first sacral vertebra. So these are the horizontal transverse processes. These two are the articular processes with articular facet. Okay. These two are the pedicle of first sacral vertebra. These two are the lamina. Okay. Now this is the transverse process of the first sacral vertebra. Transverse process of the first sacral vertebra fuses with the costal element of the first sacral vertebra and makes a wing-like structure which is called ala. Ala means wing. Ala of sacrum. Ala on both sides. This covers the base. Now, this is the anterior or pelvic surface. On anatomical position, it is oriented antero-inferiorly. It contains four pairs of the foramina, which are called anterior, since it is anterior sacral foraminum. Through this passes anterior rami of sacral nerves and lateral sacral arteries. Okay, nothing else. Let's go to the posterior surface. Now, posterior surface, there are three crests here: median crest on midline, median crest, lateral crest, and in between the two, intermediate crest. Now, we have seen the transverse process, we have seen the articular process, we have seen the lamina. Lamina fuses to form what? The spinous process. So, the fusion of spinous processes makes median sacral crest, okay, which is located posteriorly or dorsally. Median sacral crest. This is the articular process. The fusion of articular process. See this here it is more prominent, not so well inferiorly. The fusion of articular processes makes intermediate sacral crest. This is the transverse process. So the fusion of transverse processes makes the lateral sacral crest. Okay, we are done with the posterior surface. It is a little bit rough in compared to the anterior surface. Okay, let's go to the lateral surface. Lateral surface, it is wider above superiorly and narrower inferiorly. The wider above part, this part is called uh, auricular. Auricular means ear-like. Auricular surface. It makes a joint, sacroiliac joint, with the auricular surface of ilium. Okay. This is the apex. See, this part is the apex. This line present here. So line above, part above just this line is the apex. This makes a joint with coccyx. Now relations. Anterior surface on the midline. See, this is on midline. This is median plane. So the median sacral artery passes here. Median sacral artery. We have seen the ala. The ala has a lateral rough surface and a medial smooth surface. The medial smooth surface has a relation with four structures: lateral to medially, OILS. O for obturator nerve, obturator nerve. Then I for ilio lumbar, lumbar vertebra, ilio lumbar artery. Then L for lumbosacral trunk, lumbosacral trunk. It is a uh, neural trunk, lumbosacral trunk. As for sympathetic chain, sympathetic chain passes from here to just medial to this foramina, sympathetic chain. We have seen the artery and we have seen these four structures here. Okay. Now ligaments and muscle. One muscle is attached here. Here, see this? I have marked this. In origination of piriformis muscle, origin of piriformis muscle, E-shaped origin, from second, third, and fourth sacral vertebra. I forgot to tell you, these are the transverse ridges, horizontal or transverse ridges. These are made by the fusion of body of sacral vertebra. Okay. Muscle, piriformis muscle, origin of piriformis muscle from second, third, and fourth sacral vertebra, E-shaped origin on both sides. On ella, there are two structures. Okay, on the lateral rupture, we have seen the medially four structures, OILS. Now laterally two structures: anteriorly muscle, posteriorly ligament. Anteriorly, which muscle is attached here? Iliacus. Iliacus muscle is originated from here. Posteriorly, this is sacrum. The structure, the vertebra above is lumbar vertebra. So lumbosacral ligament. Okay. Now this is the crest of ella. The crest of ella anteriorly gives attachment to the, see, this is the ventral part and iliac bone is here. So sacroventral sacroiliac ligament. Similarly, dorsally, dorsal sacroiliac ligament. Okay. Now the body of first sacral vertebra, anterior and posterior. Anterior longitudinal ligament, posterior longitudinal ligament. Now these are the lamina of first sacral vertebra. Lamina of first sacral vertebra give attachment to the ligamenta flava. Okay. Now dorsal surface or posterior surface. There are two muscles are originated here. The origin is U-shaped. U-shaped origin of erector spinae muscle. Erector spinae muscle. U-shaped origin of erector spinae muscle. And continuation with the U is origin of multifidus muscle. Okay. Erector spinae and multifidus muscle. These are the posterior sacral foramina. Two pairs, four pairs. Posterior sacral foramina passes the posterior rami of sacral spinal nerve passes through here. Okay. Now this is the central canal of sacrum, and this is the sacral hiatus. Okay. The sacral spinal nerves, the coccygeal nerve, your subarachnoid space, subdural space. Okay. And okay, this structure passes through here, and the fifth sacral spinal nerve and coccygeal nerve come out from the sacral hiatus. Okay. We have seen the wider part of lateral surface above, which makes the sacroiliac joint. The narrower part below. Here four structures are present. Two are muscles and two are ligaments. Posterior to anteriorly. Posteriorly, gluteus maximus muscle. Then ilio sacrotuberous ligament, gluteus maximus muscle, sacrotuberous ligament, then sacrospinous ligament, and coccygeus muscle, anterior most coccygeus muscle. Okay. Done. Thank you.